Get back to the gym. Get back to work. You got more to show. Life don't stop for nobody, so neither can you. You gotta challenge yourself to stay consistent no matter what. You can't be out here worrying about your feelings all the time, cause pain, that's always gonna be there. Uncertainty, that's just part of the game. But the grind, that's constant. Constant work every day, no matter what life throws at you. Doesn't matter if things are good or bad, you gotta keep moving. This is how I see life. You keep pushing, no matter what. Ain't nobody coming to save you, and nothing's handed out. You get out what you put in, period. So stop waiting for things to get easy. They won't. You just get tougher, you get smarter, you keep putting in that work. And don't ever